Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at what I consider the best turtle basking dock floating platform, the ZooMed Mini Turtle Dock. If you're a turtle owner, or you're planning to set up a habitat for one, this product is going to be a game changer for your pet's comfort and health. Let's start with what makes this dock stand out. At its core, the ZooMed Mini Turtle Dock is designed with a unique self-leveling feature. That means no matter what your water level is, the platform automatically adjusts, ensuring that your turtle always has a dry and secure spot to bask. For aquatic turtles, basking is not optional. They need a warm, dry area to rest, absorb heat, and maintain their overall well-being. This dock takes away the hassle of adjusting or worrying about fluctuating water levels in your tank. Another highlight is the submerged ramp. This ramp allows turtles to easily climb out of the water without struggling. You might think a small detail like that doesn't matter, but for your turtle, it's a big deal. A smooth, gradual climb reduces stress, prevents potential injuries, and makes the habitat more natural. Watching your pet climb up and settle on the dock gives you peace of mind knowing they can move freely between water and land. The ZooMed Mini Turtle Dock comes in 4 different sizes, ranging from the compact 9.5 by 5 inches, all the way up to the large 19 by 8 inches. This range means there's an option to fit different tank setups and turtle sizes. Whether you have a baby turtle in a smaller aquarium or a larger terrapin in a more spacious setup, there's a dock designed to meet your needs. And since it's made in the USA, you can be assured of solid build quality and durability. Now let's talk about why a basking platform like this is important. Turtles thrive when they can regulate their body temperature. Without a proper basking area, they can develop health issues like shell rot or weakened immune systems. The ZooMed dock provides that essential dry zone, which, combined with a UVB lamp, creates the perfect environment for your turtle's growth and shell development. Essentially, this dock helps mimic what your turtle would naturally find in the wild. Another plus is that installation is incredibly simple. The dock is held securely in place with suction cups, which means you can position it wherever it works best in your tank. Whether you're rearranging your setup or trying out different placements, the flexibility makes it very beginner-friendly. And since the dock floats and self-adjusts, you don't have to constantly monitor or readjust it as you top up the water in your aquarium. Let's also touch on the value. With pricing options starting as low as around $15 for the smaller size and going up to around $40 for the largest version, it's an affordable addition to your tank. Considering the health benefits and the durability of the design, it's a smart investment that pays off in the long run. To wrap things up, the ZooMed Mini Turtle Dock earns its place as the best turtle basking dock floating platform. Its self-leveling design, easy access ramp, multiple size options, and reliable build all come together to create the perfect basking spot. If you want your turtle to live a healthier, happier life, this dock is absolutely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth looks at products that make pet care easier and more effective, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.